Alright guys, so here's a little update. I got a new camera, so the filming is definitely going to be an improvement. But here's the update on this thing. It's got new tires on it, and it's all in working order, all new brakes, brake seals and caliper seals and stuff. Looks like I left the oil cap off, which is really good to know. But other than that, it's pretty much retained its original form. Oh, and I lowered it back down. It had like really high forks on it, so it's got the original forks, and then I need to find the original pipes. But yeah, I'll show you how it's running. It does need a battery. It has electric start, but it's got a used battery in it with water instead of acid, because I didn't want it to tear anything up. And also it has way too rich of pilot jets, so it's going to be starting up really easy, but that's not really what I want. I want it to run a little leaner at idle. Go for a little ride. I do not have a speedometer cable because it was too long with those extended forks.